Welcome to the second recorded lecture. In this video, I'll share an overview of the different ways organizational psychologists view leadership. It is one of the most popular topics studied in organizational psychology. For more than 100 years, researchers have tried to identify the secret sauce to leadership. They haven't found it yet, but we know quite a bit about leaders, followers, and the process of leadership. I'll start with the earliest leadership theories, the trait and behavioral approaches. Then I'll cover several of the contingency theories that take the followers and the situation into consideration. And I'll finish with several more contemporary approaches to leadership, including charismatic leadership and transformational leadership. Let's start by defining leadership. Most importantly, it's a process, not a person or a job. Leadership is a process that involves leaders trying to influence followers toward achieving organizational goals. Leadership is not the same thing as management. Leadership is something that anyone can participate in. Management is usually something that is assigned to a person by the organization. And just because an organization provides its managers with formal responsibilities doesn't mean that they will lead effectively. Many of us have had managers that are terrible leaders. The source of a leader's influence can be formal, provided by their rank in an organization, or it can be informal. And this kind of influence exists outside the organizational structure, and it's sometimes more important than formal leadership. Maybe you can think of a time when you thought a coworker or an assistant manager was a better leader than the actual manager.